Hello guys, this is Rebecca. Welcome to NEWCHIC channels. On 24th of June to 1st of July, NEWCHIC have a big summer sale. So if you are interested in what is on sale now, you can head over to our NEWCHIC website to start your shopping trip. This video is a massive giveaway videos on the NEWCHIC YouTube channels. For all of these items that you're gonna see in this entire videos, there is one winner. Stay tuned to the end of the video, then I can tell you exactly how to enter. This time we have two lucky bags for you guys to choose which one you want. One is all for the men products and another one is all for the women products. If you are a winner, then you can choose one of the two lucky bags. Now let's start and have a look what is inside these two lucky bags. Okay, now I gotta start from the women's lucky bag first. The women's lucky bag has 6 items. The first item that you are going to get is a vintage print floral dress. This is a sleeveless, round neck angle length dress. The material is quite comfortable and breathable. The next item to win is a pair of flat sandals. It looks fashionable with unique rhinestone decorated, and this electric shaft can control the side easily. The non-slip rubber soles make for a comfortable step. A multifunctional crossbody bag is the third item you can win. This is most popular product on our website. It looks like a normal handbag, but it has a high capacity with an adjustable strap and detachable shoulder strap. It can multi-carry as well. If you want to know more detail of this bag, just click the right top button to gain more details. The next thing you're gonna win is a makeup brush set. There are 9 makeup brushes in this set. The brush is made from soft material with a gorgeous outlook. Another eye-catching item to be won is a jewelry set, which includes necklace, a ring, and a pair of earrings. It is 80K gold-plated. Together with the 80K gold-plated turquoise is embedded on top of it, which makes the set of jewelry even more elegant. Scarves will be the last item to be given out. I love these colors. It looks quite special, and it can match with dark color clothes and also can match with light color clothes. So now we head over to a men's lucky bag. For the men's lucky bags, there are 5 items. The first one is multicolored button-down casual shirt. This kind of shirt is the easiest way to look stylish, and the color matching is suitable for summer holidays. It would be a key essential in your wardrobe. The second one is a cotton straight pants. White color pants is super versatile. I think this pants can match with the first items. This outfit is the perfect style for summer. Next item is a cotton baseball cap. We choose beige colors, and the back here is adjustable, so it can fit the men of all sizes. Next one is a soft comfy loafer. The leather of this shoe quite soft, and look at the cutting, the detail, and the workmanship of these shoes is simple extraordinary. Last one is a men's crossbody bag. There are so many compartments: interior closed pockets, cell phone pockets, interior 2 zipper pockets, and a zipper pouch. The most special part is it's got a USB charging port, so you can place your phone while charging it. There are also a very convenient cable grommet for earphone easy access. So now you know all the exciting items in the lucky bag. Here is what you need to do to win. Step 1. Be subscribed to this channel on YouTube. Step 2. Like this video. Step 3. Leave the comment down below, whatever comments you want, as long as you leave one. If you guys wanna get more chance to win the lucky bag, you can head over to our NEWCHIC official Instagram to get the second chance, and Facebook to get the third chance. Remember guys, you have 3 chances to win the lucky bag. On Instagram and Facebook, we're doing the exact same giveaway. In addition, we not only draw out 3 lucky winners for the lucky bag, we also draw out 2 winners each on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Each will receive $30 gift card. Then you can use the gift card on our NEWCHIC website. All the winners will be announced on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube on the 3rd of July. The full contest rules are in the description down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!